Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. My name is Kuskus and this is the Get Ahead family. On this channel, I share information and opportunities on how to migrate abroad through jobs and through studies. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the contents of the letter of intent that I wrote to apply for a visitor's visa to Ireland. Now, I know you're going to say, I'm not interested in applying for Irish visitor's visa. But what you need to know is that this letter of intent is applicable to any kind of visitor's visa you want to apply for. Whether you're applying to a UK visitor's visa, a US visitor's visa, any country's visitor's visa at all, the rules are the same. Now, I am using the one I wrote to Ireland because that's the only letter of intent I have written in my visa application journeys. The other countries that I have visited either do not need visa or do not need the letter of intent. Countries that do e-visas where you just apply online, you don't have to go and do biometric capturing. Most of them don't need letters of intent. But this particular video, I'm going to be reading my letter of intent where I used to apply for my Irish visitor's visa, and this was what got me the visa. In fact, they did not just give me the visa, they gave me a longer duration than I applied for. So it means, of course, this letter was convincing. So if you're going to be applying for any country's visitor's visa at all and you don't know, what are they looking for in the letter? They want me to write a letter of intent, they want me to write a letter showing my itinerary, they want me to write a letter showing what I am coming into the country to do. If you ever ask that question or you're confused about how to answer that question, now this video is for you. So if you've ever been confused about what they need in a letter of intent, how do I express my interest? How do I show my itinerary? Different countries will request for this letter in different ways, but trust me, they are looking for the same thing. They are looking for you to show them why you're coming to their country. They're looking for you to show them your itinerary. How many days are you staying and your itinerary? Can you afford the trip? How much do you have? What is your source of income? Now, they want you to show in that letter that you will leave their country at the expiration of your visa, that you are not going to overstay. And how do you show that? You show that by proving ties to your country of residence. I work there, I run a business there. You just have to show ties that I am just coming to visit and I will leave at the end of my visa. I'm making this video because a lot of people have asked me about this letter. They've said, Kuskus, share your letter. I'm like, how do I send my letter of intent to strangers on the internet? But here you go. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm not going to talk too much. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Check around the channel. You're going to see lots of values on this channel that you would gain from. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. Like I said, I'm going to be reading through the letter that I used to apply. I'm having issues with my lights. I'm going to be rushing through this video because the first battery went off and I don't want this particular battery to go off. Okay, so in the letter, I have my address on my right hand, my full address and the date that I'm applying. And then on the left hand, I have the visa officer address. So because I was applying to the Embassy of Ireland, I said the visa officer, visa office, Embassy of Ireland, one like the address, and then I said, dear sir / madam. The title or the caption is Purpose and Intention of Traveling to the Republic of Ireland. My name is Kuseme Iseh and I am a UK resident working as a contract manager at, I mentioned my employer and my location. I intend to travel to the Republic of Ireland for tourism purposes on 26th of May 2023 and to leave on 29th of May 2023. So I have mentioned my name, what I do, and my country of residence, and I have mentioned the period that I want to travel. So they are not going to be asking, when is she traveling? It is there. It's so visible. When you're writing your letter, don't let them think too much. Give them everything up front. It's called front loading in law. That's what we call it, front loading. When I arrive, I will be residing at Aberdeen Lodge located at 55 Park Avenue, Dublin, Ireland, and I have attached the reservation confirmation email for your reference. They want to know when you arrive their country, where are you staying? Are you staying with family? What is their address? If you're staying with family and you provide their address, rest assured you have to show that they have invited you. So you have to attach a letter of invitation from them so that you show that they are willing to accommodate you. I provided a hotel reservation, and this is what you need to know. You don't need to pay for a hotel to get a reservation. Just go to booking.com, get a reservation for free, the one that says they will not charge you until you show up. Get that kind of reservation. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to link the island visa application video that I did this particular reservation. This particular reservation, I did it in that video. So you're going to see it, because you have to show where you are going to stay. If you do not have where you're going to stay, or you are not sure and it's not in your letter, that's the beginning of your failure. The next paragraph. I have the financial means to pay for my trip as evidence in my bank statement attached to this application. My bank has certified my most recent 3-month bank statement, which covers the period from 1st February 2023 to 13 April 2023. I have, however, added an internet copy bank statement of 3 additional months from November 2022 to January 2023. My lights have started shaking. You guys should just bear with me. Okay, that paragraph is talking about the fact that I can afford the trip. Next paragraph. This 4-day trip will allow me to discover Ireland's rich historical and cultural heritage, as well as the country's most popular attractions. I intend to visit the National Gallery, the Museum of Literature, the Guinness Factory, the Dublin Zoo, and the renowned Dublin Castle. I'm particularly interested in visiting the esteemed Trinity College Dublin and the celebrated Christ Church Cathedral. I did a video tour of Trinity College Dublin, and I also posted some videos of Christ Church Cathedral on my Instagram. That paragraph has demonstrated my itinerary. It means I know what I'm coming to do. I'm not just coming to be a nuisance in Ireland. I'm coming to tour the city, spend my money, and contribute to the economy. So they are not going to be confused. Like, they won't say, what is she coming to do? Because I know what I'm coming to do. The last paragraph. Guys, my light has gone off, but I'm going to complete this video. Bear with me. I commit to obeying the conditions of my visa in full and will not rely on public services or become a burden to the country. Why did I say that? I said that because if you check most of the visa applications will say that you have to demonstrate that you will not be a nuisance to the country, that you will not use public funds when you are on your visa, that you're going to respect the terms and conditions of your visa. That's why I made that statement. I will ensure to leave Ireland before my immigration permit expires and will return to the United Kingdom to resume at my place of employment. I have attached my employment offer letter, payslip, and tenancy agreement to show my strong economic ties to the United Kingdom. I've already said what that sentence means. That sentence is showing that there is nothing that will keep me beyond my approved stay in Ireland. I have work to do in UK. I'm not jobless. I have a job and I submitted my payslip. You don't need to submit all of this, but the way I operate, I always provide everything to take all doubts away. Like, by the time you read my application, beyond reasonable doubt, you have to give it to me. And then I said, I'm seeking for a multiple entry visa since Ireland has so many amazing attractions that one short trip won't be enough to see them all. You know what that means. Like, why that I was explaining why I needed a multiple visa, because there's single entry visa, multiple entry visa. I wanted them to give me multiple entry. I paid for multiple entry. But the thing, what you need to know is that paying for multiple entry is not automatically that they will give you multiple entry visa. So I did not want to pay for multiple entry and come and hear that they gave me single entry, because my money will waste. So that's why I included that sentence, so that they will know that I know there is a reason why I'm asking for multiple entry. Then I said, I hope my application is accepted and I am looking forward to an exciting time in Ireland. Yours faithfully, Kuseme Iseh. So this is like a 1-page letter. It's very straightforward, to the point. But the thing is, if your circumstances are different, include all the information you think you have not provided in the main application. Include all the details you think will clarify issues that are not clear in your application. Is your name different from the one on your passport? Is your date of birth different? Whatever will cast any questions or doubts on your application, clarify it in this letter. That's literally what the letter of intent is. You can use this template in any country at all. What you need to know is that when they ask for this letter, they will usually say, provide a letter of intent showing this. Make sure you demonstrate everything they are asking for. For Ireland, they had said, demonstrate where you're going to stay, that you can afford the trip, Even if they don't say it specifically, take it from me. They want to see that you can afford the trip. Let's say that you are not the one funding your trip. Provide details of who is funding the trip. Sufficient details. Of course, I have uploaded bank statements, certified true copies of bank statement, which is what they requested for. I'm not saying go and give them 6 months bank statement. I was just being extra. And when I went to the visa office, they only collected 3 months from me. They did not collect the other 3. So it's fine. I'm always trying to do extra so that they don't say story. Anyways, that's literally the content of the letter. If you have any questions or you don't know, maybe your situation is different and you're trying to say, oh, what should I do? How should I write this? You can always reach out to me. If you check the description box to this video, you will see a link where you can book my consultancy services, where I would take you one-on-one, answer your specific questions, show you exactly how to tweak your letter to suit your circumstances. Okay, you cannot say that because Kuskus wrote a 4-paragraph letter, I'm going to write a 4-paragraph letter. Is your situation the same with Kuskus' situation? If it is the same, go for it. You're going to get the visa. But if there is any difference in your situation and the situation of Kuskus, you have to make sure that in writing your letter, you address your specific situation. Anyways, I feel so bad that my light has gone off. Since last year, I've been struggling with lighting. So you guys help me recommend a ring light or a lighting set in the comment section. I would really appreciate. I hope you have subscribed, because if you have not subscribed, wait till you gain. You have not subscribed to this channel, wait till you gain. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll be in the comment section to see your questions. If you want to know how to apply for UK visitors visa, it is in this channel. Irish visitors visa, it is on this channel. UK skilled worker visa, in fact different visa types, how to apply, the questions, they are on this channel. Just check around. There are a lot of videos on how to apply to a university, how to apply for visa, how to find a job, a lot of things, achieving in scholarships. There are so many contents on this channel that you should not miss. I'm hoping that you're going to check the description box and watch the related videos to this particular video, and you also look around the channel to watch other videos that you're interested in. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. So yes, if you've ever been confused about what they need in a content of a letter of intent, or when they ask you in a visa application, what are your intentions? Hey, my light. What kind of wahala is this?